Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Prashant Chetan. I'm a prosthodontist practicing in Noida. I have about 22 years of experience. I take this as an opportunity to introduce certain GC products to all of you. I've been using these capsules for the last 5 to 7 years. I think my primary reason to be using them is because of the superior quality of the product. I'm using these capsules in pediatric as well as adult patients for filling in their class 1 and class 2 cavities. These capsules give me good results and total satisfaction to the patient. The capsules for our pediatric patients as well as adult patients. And the primary use of GIC capsulated form of GC Fuji is in class 1 and class 2 cavities. We as dentists are very satisfied with the product, so are our patients. I would highly recommend this product to all the fellow dentists. They must introduce this product in their own practice. Okay, now let me demonstrate to you the ease of using these capsules. Now this comes in a box by the company, GC Fuji 2 capsules. Inside you have a set of about 50 capsules. We pulled out one from there. We open the packing. So from the wrapper what we get is a capsule. The way to use this is that initially we just tap it. This is loaded onto the amalgamator like that. We close the lid. We have timed it for 10 seconds. 10 seconds is the mixing time. You can increase and decrease the time as provided on the amalgamator, the buttons. Like you see here, we can increase the time to 11-12 seconds or we can reduce it to as per our need. We normally do the mixing in a 10-second cycle. That's a play button. Once you press that, it starts mixing. After the completion of the 10-second cycle, it automatically stops. We can remove and we load this onto the dispensing gun. The capsule has a groove, the dispensing gun has a receiving end. We fix it there, then you need to click it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now the 4th time when you click it, it is ready for the filling that needs to be carried out. Now if you see the consistency, it is quite smooth and creamy and uniform. Well, you can approximately do about 2 to 3 medium-sized class 1 or class 2 fillings with one capsule. Thank you Dental Tech for visiting us, and I think this was a great opportunity for us to tell other dentists about using high quality dental products from